Start with cinematic visuals of the iPhone 17 Pro, shots from multiple angles, close-ups of the triple-lens camera cluster, smooth lighting transitions, and dramatic screen animations. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're going full unfiltered on the iPhone 17 Pro. What's real, what's game-changing, and where Apple has refined its engineering. From the display to the cameras, from battery performance to thermal design, this is everything we know for sure as of launch. Strap in, let's go! The external design of the iPhone 17 Pro has shifted in several important ways. Apple has returned to an aerospace-grade 7000 series aluminum unibody rather than titanium for the Pro line. Both the front and back are protected by Ceramic Shield 2, and the body includes an oleophobic coating, anti-reflective layer, and fingerprint-resistant treatment. Finish options include silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. The Pro version measures about 150.0 mm tall, 71.9 mm wide, and 8.75 mm thick, weighing 206 grams. It maintains IP68 water and dust resistance, surviving up to 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes. The display features Apple's Super Retina XDR OLED technology. The Pro model has a 6.3-inch screen, while the Pro Max stretches to 6.9 inches, both offering a pixel density of roughly 460 ppi. Promotion adaptive refresh rates reach up to 120 Hz, and features like always-on display, HDR, True Tone, and P3 wide color ensure vibrant visuals. Typical brightness is about 1000 nits, HDR peaks at 1600 nits, and outdoor brightness can hit an impressive 3000 nits. The contrast ratio sits at approximately 2:0:0:0:0:0 to 1, with haptic touch, anti-reflective coatings, and the familiar dynamic island. Rounded corners slightly reduce the viewable area compared to the full rectangle. Under the hood, the A19 Pro chip, built on a third-generation 3nm process, delivers improved efficiency and sustained performance. It's paired with 12 GB of RAM. A major upgrade this year is the thermal design. Apple has added a vapor chamber cooling system and leveraged the aluminum frame for better heat dissipation, keeping the phone cooler during gaming or intensive video editing sessions and reducing throttling. The camera system has seen significant upgrades. All three rear lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, are now 48 MP, which is a first for Apple and ensures consistent quality across lenses. The telephoto lens offers up to 8 times optical quality zoom and 40 times digital zoom. It uses an f/2.8 aperture for the 8 times optical zoom setting. The front camera is now 18 MP and supports center stage for auto-framing during video calls. Video capabilities include ProRes RAW recording, advanced stabilization, and improved low-light performance thanks to updated sensors. Battery capacity is approximately 3,988 mAh for the iPhone 17 Pro with a physical SIM, or about 4,252 mAh with an eSIM. The Pro Max models feature larger batteries, about 4,823 mAh, physical SIM, or 5,088 mAh, eSIM. Video playback lasts up to 31 hours on the Pro and 37 hours on the Pro Max, with slightly lower numbers for streaming. Fast charging can bring the battery to 50% in roughly 20 minutes with a 40W or higher USB-C charger. Using MagSafe and a 30W adapter, you'll hit 50% in about 30 minutes. Wireless charging via MagSafe and Qi 2 is fully supported. Storage options for the Pro are 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, while the Pro Max adds a massive 2 TB option. The phones support 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread, NFC, ultra-wideband, and Apple's new N1 networking chip. Additional features include the TrueDepth camera system with Face ID, center stage, a LiDAR scanner, emergency SOS via satellite, and crash detection. The devices ship with iOS 26, bringing Apple Intelligence features across apps. Key improvements include the upgraded telephoto lens with higher optical zoom, uniform 48 MP resolution across rear cameras for seamless switching, brighter outdoor display performance, always-on display, enhanced contrast, and better minimum brightness. Thermal upgrades with the vapor chamber and aluminum body improve performance under load, and battery life is notably better. However, the phone is heavier and thicker than some users may prefer for one-handed use. While optical zoom is much improved, high-magnification digital zoom still shows some quality loss. Charging speeds are faster, but Apple does not include a high-wattage charger in the box. Some early reports mention the anodized aluminum edges, especially around the camera bump, may scratch easily, so a case is recommended. The iPhone 17 Pro officially launched on September 19, 2025, with pre-orders starting earlier. The base Pro model is priced around $1,099 in the United States, with the Pro Max costing more. In Pakistan, the Pro starts at roughly PKR 413,000 depending on storage and retailer. For content creators, photographers, and videographers, the improved zoom, resolution, and low-light performance make this a worthwhile upgrade. For everyday users focused on social media, messaging, and browsing, the previous generation or non-Pro iPhone 17 models may offer similar value at a lower cost. That's the full breakdown of confirmed details on the iPhone 17 Pro. It's a powerful step forward in multiple areas, but like any flagship, it has trade-offs depending on your needs. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch upcoming tests and reviews. In the comments, share which feature excites you most: zoom, battery life, display, or something else. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.